Okay, I want to show you how to use a really cool tool called Goal Seek, right? So if you go into the data area, you're going to find this what if analysis tools, and we're going to use Goal Seek. So here we have a loan, $75,000. Let's say you need it to start a business, and the rate's 10%, and the term is 3 years. That's 36 payments, and you can see the payments are amortized below. Right now, that means you're going to pay $2,400, well, $2,420.04 to be exact. But let's say you can only budget $2,100. Well, we can go in and try to change the numbers, change these numbers back up and down to 8%. No, that's not going to. You can just keep going. So let me undo that. But a real quick way to do it is to use Goal Seek. So Goal Seek says, what is the cell that you want to be your target cell? And the payment is what we want to get down to a value of 2100. So the set cell is the cell number that you want to get to, and you could use a name here. So if you had named this payment, you could, if you've already named it, you could do that. I'm going to go ahead and just put that back there. We want to get down to $2,100 by changing which cell. And so let's say first we're going to change the interest rate and see what interest rate we need to get down to $2,100. Okay, and again, if you had named this cell rate, you could just type in the word right here. But we're just going to click on the cell, and we'd say, I'm sorry, I forgot to change this back. So the cell that we want to change is B7. And so now it should work. See how it's kind of calculating everything quickly for us? We would need to get a rate of 1%. That's not going to work. The bank won't give us a 1% loan. So we're like, well, let's see. We could change the amount. That would be another way of doing it. So maybe we could just do a Goal Seek. Let's say we want to set this cell to 2100, and we want to change the amount and see, well, how much we can get for, let's say the current rate is 10%. We can only get 65,000. No, that's not going to work for us either. Let's go back, undo it. Let's say we could get down to 8% as the lowest we can get. Try that again. Goal Seek, set cell, how much money, what our payment is. We want to get our payment down to 2,100 by changing the amount. All right, okay. That means we can only get 67. Still not going to work. We really need to get closer to 75,000. So then you say, well, I know we can get an 8% loan. That's the cheapest I saw. Maybe we can spread the terms out. Instead of paying it off in 3 years, we can pay it off a little bit longer. How much longer would it be for us if we only paid them $2,100? And so you go Goal Seek. We want to get this down to 2,100, changing the term. And let's see how many years we would need. 3.4. That might work for us. If we can get 8%, we can get $75,000 and pay it over 3.5 years, 3.4 years. We would only have to pay $2,100. So hopefully you can see how cool of a tool this is for you in business. It could really be a help for you in planning. Makes things a lot quicker for you finding out how to make adjustments. And you can use this across a whole bunch of different types of problems.